Your car's suspension does more than just make your ride smooth. It protects your tires, your steering, and even your wallet. Your car's suspension does more than just make your ride smooth. It protects your tires, your steering, and even your wallet. But here's the shocking part. Mechanics don't always tell you the full story. Why? Because suspension problems are some of the most profitable repairs in the auto industry. That's why today, I'm exposing 10 suspension secrets mechanics never tell you. Secrets that can save you thousands in repairs and keep your car running like new. Secrets that can save you thousands in repairs and keep your car running like new. And before we begin, I want to make a small, personal request. Running this channel takes a lot of time, research, and effort. Every subscription helps me continue paying my college fees while bringing you car tips that save you money. So if you'd like to support Gear Specs and protect your own car, please hit that subscribe button. It really makes a difference. Alright, let's get into it. Number 1, suspension problems start small. That little squeak or clunk when you hit a bump, it's your first warning. Ignore it, and you'll go from a $50 bushing replacement to a $1,000 suspension rebuild. Number 2, mechanics love selling full strut replacements. In many cases, you don't need a full strut assembly replaced. A simple shock absorber or mount replacement can fix the issue, but shops push full replacements because they make more money. Wheel alignment isn't optional. Most drivers think alignment is a nice to have. Wrong. Even a slightly off alignment eats your tires, kills fuel efficiency, and damages suspension parts. Spending $80 now saves you $600 later. Worn suspension destroys tires. Uneven tire wear is often a suspension issue, not a tire issue. Mechanics might sell you new tires without fixing the real problem, so the wear keeps happening. Cheap shocks might seem like a good way to save some cash at first, but they wear out twice as fast. This puts a lot of stress on your steering system. So, it's always a smart move to invest in OEM or trusted brands. Trust me, it'll save you headaches down the road. Here's something important. Worn shocks can actually increase your stopping distance by up to 20%. And that's not just a costly issue, it's downright dangerous. So keeping your suspension in check is crucial for safety. Did you know you can actually test your shocks at home? Just push down on each corner of your car. If it bounces more than once, well, your shocks are likely worn. It's a simple trick that mechanics often keep to themselves, because they'd rather you find out in the shop. Not all noises are actually suspension issues. Sometimes a squeak might come from bushings, brakes, or even just some loose trim. Mechanics might diagnose it as a suspension problem just to upsell you on repairs you don't really need. So, always ask for proof before you pay. If you let bad suspension go for too long, it puts extra pressure on the steering rack, a repair that can cost over $1,500. Catching it early, honestly, can save you thousands. So, preventative maintenance is honestly dirt cheap. Greasing joints, replacing bushings, and checking alignment really just cost pennies compared to those major suspension repairs. But, since shops make money on the big jobs, they rarely push these simple preventative steps. See, your suspension isn't just about comfort, it's about safety and money. And now that you know these 10 secrets, you can spot problems early and avoid getting ripped off. If you learned something new, please consider subscribing to Gear Specs. Every subscription doesn't just support this channel, it helps me continue paying my college fees while giving you practical, money-saving car advice every single week. And if you thought these suspension secrets were eye-opening, wait until you see our video on the 11 cheap car parts you're ignoring that can destroy your engine fast. That one could honestly save your entire engine. Click here, and I'll see you there.